Imagine yourself stealthily crawling through a forest with a team covered in battle gear, with the hopes of eliminating the other team in a fierce paintball match. This is the feeling we are expecting to create for each player in our MMORPG.
Paintball World Expedition. As a whole, this game will be centered on playing competitive paintball, a simple team versus team format with complex variables contributing to a very interesting and different approach at how the classic game of paintball is played.
Now, let's talk about how these teams will be made. In order to introduce people to a social network within the game, we will bring players to a waiting room, a chat room where you're forced to join when you first open the game. This chat room will allow the player to easily talk to anyone else that's in the waiting room, and also help bring players together to form teams in hopes of playing a paintball match. Now this is where the paintball fields are introduced. New York City, Gettysburg, feudal Japan, the Grand Canyon, Tokyo, Venice, Italy, the volcanoes at Hawaii, the Egyptian pyramids, Paris, France. We will turn all of these places into paintball fields, where you can roam around and cover with paintball splatter. We will allow teams of 3 or 5 to play each other, but the teams must be balanced in player numbers. Each character has their own statistics, as well as their own character build. The player can make the character fast and agile, or make their character camouflaged and quick trigger. The customization will be plentiful. It will allow for unique characters and will also allow for greater team play elements. Before each match is started, we will pose a question to each team. This question will be directly related to the field selected for the match at hand. The two teams will be allowed 2 to 3 minutes to come to a consensus on what they think the right answer is. The majority of the team will then select the answer they think is the right answer. If the team chooses the right answer, they will be allowed 1 extra hit from the opposing team before they are considered eliminated from the match, which gives them an advantage. If the team chooses the wrong answer, their paintball ammunition will be reduced so they have a disadvantage. When the match starts, we will put each team on an opposite side. We will craft each field so that it incorporates the setting. With each setting, we will include ambient noise related to the area in order to immerse the player within the setting itself while giving them a strategic element of gameplay with their teammates. At this point, the paintball match will start, and the victor will emerge once all members of a team are eliminated. Now, this may seem like a walk in the park for some people that are well versed in the paintball universe, but we plan on throwing you into a place where you've never thought to play paintball, to present you with a unique and fresh experience with people across the world that you can call your teammates in this new MMORPG called Paintball World Expedition.